Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are fine and staying well at home. In today's lesson of English, we are going to read page number 31 of Ready, Steady, Go Prep Second Term. This is page number 31 and our topic is vocabulary of letter R. Write date on the top of the page. Listen and focus on the words starting with letter R. R-O-L-L, roll. Roll. The R-E-D, red. Red. R-O-P-E, rope. A-R-O-U-N-D, around. The R-O-D, rod. Roll the red rope around the rod. Can you tell me how many animals are there in this picture? There are two animals, rabbit, rat. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit, and R-A-T, rat, R-E-A-D-Y, ready. Ready for the R-A-C-E, race. Rabbit and rat are ready for the race. R-A-N-A, Rana. The boy's name is Rana. Rana is R-A-D-Y, ready. To R-U-N, run, on the T-R-A-C-K, track. Rana is ready to run on the track. M-A-K-E, make. Make. R-A-I-N, rain. B-O-W, bow. Rainbow. W-I-T-H, with. R-I-B-B-O-N-S, ribbons. Make rainbow with ribbons. Dear student, read this page 3 times and then complete page number 32. After that, prepare your notebook by putting date, HW and day. Draw margin line, write topic and then write any 5 or 6 words that start with letter R, like roll, rope, rabbit, race, run and rainbow. Do not forget to draw ending line. Take care. Allah Hafiz.